The built environment is motivated by economic and political ideologies instead of actual needs, and calls for a more sensitive, humane, and nature-focused approach. After water, concrete is the most widely used substance on the planet. 22 billion tons are produced each year. As a reference, 8.9 billion tons of plastic have been generated in history. If cement production was a country, it would be the third biggest pollutant, only behind the US and China. As passionate designers, we started Coi Lab, a space of research-based design driven by change and using it as an opportunity to innovate. Based on our available resources, we started experimenting with the smallest scale with which the human body can interact: jewelry. Using a plant-based resin combined with natural materials locally sourced and 3D printing technology, we have created a limited collection that is now available for purchase on our website. As we scale up over time, we are looking forward to collaborating with people from different disciplines. Stay tuned on our social media for process videos and announcements on product releases.